Today we are going to discuss how to fix this application requires iOS 14.0 or later on Instagram. For example, if you look for Instagram on your iPhone 6 or 7, which means if you have iPhone 6 or 7 and you want to download and install Instagram, but it says that this application requires iOS 14.0 or later. So how you can fix that? For this, so what you have to do, first of all, you have to simply close this page, and after that what you have to do, you have to simply go to settings, and here what you have to do, you have to scroll it down and until you have to click on general. So here what you have to do, you have to simply click on software update, and here you have to check whether it is showing latest update or not, which means if it is showing iOS version 14.0 or later, then you can simply update your device and the problem will be solved. If the problem is still there, which means if you do not have the latest iOS version, then it will be very difficult for you to install the Instagram app. So what you have to do, you have to simply grab the latest version device so that you can simply use the Instagram on your iPhone without any problem. But you can simply use the Instagram on Safari, which means you can simply uh, open Safari and open a new tab, and here you have to simply search for an Instagram, and you can simply enjoy the Instagram on Safari without any problem. So hope you have liked this video. If you get more videos like these, you can subscribe our channel.